Oh, here when there was more young one.
Okay. Ayan. May marami daw po ditong salmon. Salmon fish.
This is the old way.
Okay. This is strong. Wow, makita nyo po meron doong windmills. Windmill. At yun ay church yata yun. Pagtawid namin, inland na to. Sobra pong lamig kahit may araw. Chilling. Cold weather. We have cold weather now. Kahit summer. At sobrang tahimik po dito.
This is
Okay. Tingnan nyo po. Ito yung mga sinasabi na lang. Maklak. Hihihi. May salbabida para pag may kailangan ng tulong, nalulunod. Ayan.